Come with me and let's take a ride to Jacksonville Beach so that we can see the venue for the Breathe Joy Retreat. Let's see what it's all about.
I'm currently at the Element Jack Beach Hotel, and I gotta tell you, if you haven't gotten your ticket yet for the retreat, now is the time to get your ticket. Further back there, that is where you will have the beach access. This is where if you want to get up early morning and take a walk down to the beach and get in the beach and just sit and rest and enjoy your Saturday, feel free to do it. There's also a pool that's located in the back area that will give you the ability to be able to relax and enjoy your time there as well. This is the space where we're going to let our hair down, connect with other women that are like-minded, but then also get the rest that we needed. There's so many wellness activities that are set up so that you can be sure to relax and get what you need before you leave. These 3 days are packed with some lady entrepreneurs that are fellow friends of mine, and they all offer a great service ready to serve you well. Here's a few things that you can expect when you come to the Breathe Joy Wellness Retreat. K Celeste will be launching off a live beach session called Faith Flow, located on the beach, where you get to connect with yourself and reconnect with God. Adriana Dixon is going to be sure that you relax by getting pampered with a massage. Then we have our pictures are going to be taken by Mercedes Brown. She is going to be cultivating storytelling pictures that will be life-changing. All of our guests will receive a gifting right by Sugarberry Gifting Company that will be sure that you have luxury self-care gifts. Leave your kids at home as well as your man at home, because the Breathe Joy Wellness Retreat is the space where you get to focus on you, okay? I'm so excited, not just for those because I'm putting on the retreat, but I am excited because of the women that are going to get this experience, okay? I've been hearing so much about how women just constantly giving of themselves freely, and I'm just so ready for them to be able to get back poured into, get back to that place where they can be able to reconnect with themselves. So if you are located in Jacksonville, or if you're traveling to Jacksonville for this experience, be sure to get your ticket now.